Good evening, everyone. Again, I am Miss Merceline M. Cordova. For today's video, we're going to discuss about nouns and pronouns together with its kinds. So, Sean, we are going to read first our two objectives, which are at the end of the lessons, the students will learn the differences of nouns and pronouns. Number two is to learn the different kinds of nouns and pronouns. So first, we're going to discuss nouns. What is noun, by the way? First, the definition says that noun is a name of a person, place, thing, or an event. For an example, Maria, Davao City, flowers, baskets, balls. Those are the examples of nouns. But we have to identify what kind of noun those examples. So we are done with the definition of nouns. Then we will discuss next the 6 kinds of nouns. First kind of nouns, proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is a specific name of a person or a place. For example, Maria, Davao City, Ben, Joel, New York, and Canada. Those are the example of a proper noun, a specific name of a person or a place. Next is common noun. What is common noun? Common noun is a generic name of a person, place, or a thing. For example, alcohol, module, father, mother, mobile phones, cinema. Those are the examples of common. Again, common noun is a generic name of a person, place, or a thing. Next is collective noun, from the word collect. This noun is used to a group of a person, animals, things, or example, flock, gang, club. It is a group of animals, persons. Next is compound noun. Compound noun is made up of 2 or more words. For example, we have playground. Play plus ground equals playground. Playgrounds has 2 words. It is a play and grounds. So, this combined together, then it makes one word. Next example is classmate. 2 words, class and mate. It is combined together, so it makes as one word, classmate. Next is count noun. What is count noun? Name that can be counted. For example, a flower, rooms, and hair. Those are examples of count noun. Again, count noun is a name that can be counted. Take note of that. Is the abstract noun. What is abstract noun? For quality, or action. Example, respect, love, courage, integrity, and friendship. Those are examples of abstract noun. We are done discussing nouns with its kinds and cases. So next is we have to talk about pronouns. Then the next that we will going to discuss is pronouns. So what is pronouns? Pronouns designates the name of a person, a place, or a thing, and a quality. Or it substitutes the name of a person, place, or thing. Just for example, Maria went to the mall. So if we are going to make it in pronouns, then she went to the mall. So the pronouns there is she because Maria is a girl. Take note that if the subject is a girl, then we are going to use the pronouns she or her. Then if the subject is a boy, the pronoun is he or him. Take note of that because it is important. So for you to better understand pronouns, I will give you some examples. So for you to have a better understanding, I will give you some examples of pronouns and observe each sentences. So for you to know more about pronouns, I will give you some examples such as using pronouns in a sentence. So observe properly. There are different kinds of nouns and also the pronouns thus. There are about 5 different kinds of pronouns and I will explain it to you one by one and I will give some examples so you better understand. And please listen attentively and observe those sentences. First kind of pronouns is personal pronouns. So if we think about personal, it means you, me, or yourself and myself. From the word personal. First kind of pronouns is personal pronouns. So if we say personal pronouns, from the word personal, it talks about you, yourself, and myself. Example personal pronouns is she, he, we, they, us, yourself, myself, and there's a lot more. So I'll give you sentences that uses personal pronouns. Another kind of pronoun is intensive reflexive pronoun. So if we say intensive, it shows empathetic effect or it can be removed or removable. And if we say reflexive pronoun, it shows reflexive effect and it follows verbs or prepositions. Next is interrogative pronoun. From the word interrogate, it means it asks questions. So interrogative pronouns are used to ask for facts or information, just like the questions why, what, which, and when. Then also we have examples here about interrogative pronouns. Next is relative pronouns, and also relative pronouns is just like interrogative pronoun. It uses the W questions, which are the who, which, what, whom, and whose. Then the examples are this: